Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to create and setting up the utility file in our React.js application where we will write the functionality to save and get the token in cookies. With this, we will create a few more methods to check the user's role. So let's get started. As you can see, the React.js application. So first of all, I'm going to install few packages. So let me open here the PowerShell. Let me add here the command that we have npm install js cookie. As you can see, cookie installed successfully. Now after that, I'm going to install JWT decode that will use to extract information from the JWT. So let me write here the command that we have npm install JWT decode. Let's hit enter. As you can see, JWT decode installed successfully. Let me close the PowerShell. Now after that, let me delete the storage service. With the pages package, I'm going to create a new folder with the name utils. Inside this, we have a file with the name common.js. Inside this file, I'm going to import JWT decode and the cookie. So let me import here cookie from the JS cookie. After that, I'm going to import here JWT decode. After importing these, let me initialize a variable with the name token. Let me initialize this with the string that we have token. Now after that, let me create here the method with the name save token. Inside this, let me call here the import that we have cookies and the method that we have set. First, we have to pass here the key that is a token. Second, we have to pass here the token that we will get inside the argument. Let me get the token inside the argument of the method. Let me duplicate this method. Update the method name that we have get token. Let me remove this argument and it will return cookies.get. Inside the argument of the get, we have to pass in the key that is a token, or we have to return here the null in case if the token is not found. After that, I'm going to create a method with the name decode token. So it will be export const name of the method that we have decode token. Inside this method, I'm going to call here the method that we have get token. This method will return a token. So let me initialize a variable with the name token. After getting the token, I'm going to add here the condition where we have to check if the token not found. Then we have to return here null. After this condition, I'm going to add here try and the catch block. The catch block will catch an exception in case of method failing. So here I'm going to add console.error to print the error message in the console. The error that we have failed to decode token. After the string, let me add here the error and we have to return the null. Now inside the try block, I'm going to call here the import that we have JWT decode. Inside the argument of this, we have to pass here the token and it will be a return. After the decode token method, I'm going to create here the method that will return the boolean value. The method name that we have is admin logged in. Export const name of the method that we have is admin logged in. In this method, I'm going to call here the method that we have decode token. This method will return the decoded token. So let me create a variable with the name decoded token. After getting the decoded token, we have to check here if the decoded token dot role triple is equals to admin. Then we have to return true. Otherwise, we have to return here false. Let me duplicate this method. Update the method name that we have is customer logged in. Inside this method, we have to call here the method that we have decoded token. After getting the decoded token, we have to check here the role if the decoded token dot role triple is equals to customer. Then we have to return true. Otherwise, we have to return here false. At the last, we have a method that is a remove token where we have to remove the token from the cookies. So it will be export const name of the method that we have remove token. Inside this method, let me call here the import and the method from the cookies that we have remove. Inside the argument of this, we have to pass here the key that is a token. Now you can take a look of the common.js file. That's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can do comment. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.